When Sam visited Ravi's place for the first time, everybody was very happy. But there was a strange thing. That is, Ravi's grandfather became very ill. He started sneezing a lot. Now, on the second day, when Sam came again, the same thing happened. That is, Ravi's grandfather started sneezing a lot and he was not very well. Now, Ravi's grandmother doubted Sam because of that. She said that Sam performs some sort of black magic. But Ravi went to the doctor with his grandfather. Now, doctor asked, does he carry any flowers? Well, no. Is he dirty? Even that wasn't correct. In fact, he was very clean. And not only him, even his cat was very clean. Now the doctor got the idea. As soon as he heard about cat, he said that cats release certain substance which can be the reason why Ravi's grandfather is always ill. So what exactly is there? What is wrong with the cat? Well, cats have certain substances on their body which is called cat dander. Just like we have dandruff in our hair, similarly, cats have cat dander, which is nothing but dead skin. Now, some people have a strange reaction to this particular cat dander. And not only in cats, this dander is found in dogs and many other animals. Now, when this dander enters a human's body, it is harmless. So, most people do not react to it at all. But some people react to it very differently. For example, Ravi's grandfather. So, Ravi's grandfather started sneezing a lot. So, this is a common reaction to cat dander. Now, what exactly is this reaction? What do we call this? Well, it's called allergy. So, when we talk about allergy, what exactly is allergy? Well, an allergy refers to an exaggerated reaction by the immune system in response to exposure to certain foreign substances. So this can be any foreign substance. For example, cat dander is a foreign substance. It's not part of our body. Similarly, even flowers release certain things called pollen. Even those are foreign objects which enter our body. Now, some people are allergic to these particular substances. And when these substances enter their body, then their body starts attacking these things. And as a result, body creates certain symptoms. And these symptoms are what we call allergy. So, allergy is certain exaggerated reaction by the immune system against exposure to certain foreign substances. Now, how do these substances enter our body? They can enter in many different ways. A very common way is through our respiratory tract. So, whenever we are inhaling, at that time, these substances can also enter into our body through our nose. And once they enter our body, our immune system decides whether these things are harmless or not. And then, if the immune system thinks that it is harmless, then it will start reacting to it. And that is what is allergy exactly. Now, this allergy can happen in certain people while it can have no reaction in other people. So, only those people who are reacting to these foreign substances, only they are suffering from allergy. And the ones who are completely neutral to it, they are not suffering from allergy. So, I'll show you an example. Now here we have two people who are smelling the same kind of flower. Now one of them has no reaction to the flower. So what exactly is happening inside? Well, inside his nose, the immune system checks for the foreign body and it finds that it is harmless. So it does not react at all. But in the other person's nose, a different kind of reaction takes place. Well, his immune system is very sensitive. So, in this case, immune system thinks that it is a foreign body and it needs to attack it. And when it attacks the foreign body, it creates all these symptoms such as swelling inside the nose and mucus. So this person is constantly sneezing and is very ill. So now, what are some common allergies? Well, you can be allergic to many different things, but we are only discussing some common types of allergies. So one of the most common type is mold, pollen and dust mite allergy. Molds and dust mites are found inside our home, while pollen are found outside our home. That is, it comes from different plants. Now, some people are allergic to these, and when they inhale these things, they have an allergic reaction. Similarly, some people have allergy to insect stings. So we call it insect stings allergy. So definitely if an insect stings you, it will pain. But in some people, the reaction is much more than just pain. So there are rashes and many other reactions inside the body because they are allergic to insect stings. Now, definitely there is animal dander allergy, which we have discussed about. So if you have pets, for example, cats and dogs, then you can inhale animal dander, and as a result, you may have an allergy to these things. Similarly, there is food allergy. So there are certain food items which cause allergic reaction in some people. So this is also a common type of allergy. And then we have medicine allergy. So some people have allergic reaction to certain medicines. So they have to avoid those medicines. So all these are common types of allergies. Now let's understand these in detail. So first of all, let's come to mold, pollen and dust mite allergy. So as I mentioned, mold and dust mites are common in our homes. And if we inhale them, we start getting allergic reaction if we are allergic to these things. Similarly, pollens are released by flowers of the plants. And if we inhale them and we are allergic to it, then we will start showing all the different symptoms of allergy. Now, when we talk about animal dander allergy, then animal dander can come from any of different animals. For example, cats, dogs, or maybe some other pet that you have. And if you inhale that dander and you are allergic to dander, again you will have all the different symptoms like sneezing and mucus. So if you are allergic to animal dander and you inhale it, then you may face all the different symptoms such as sneezing and mucus secretion. So now can you answer this question? Only cats can cause allergy while dogs are safe. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, the correct answer is false. Because allergy can be caused both by cats as well as dogs. So animal dander can come from both. It's not just cats. Now, another very common allergy is food allergy. So there are many different items. For example, milk, nuts, and many other food items which can cause allergy. And as a result, you may face stomach pain and even skin rashes because of it. Then we have insect stings allergy. So as you can see that whenever an insect stings us, we feel pain. That is common for everybody. But if somebody is allergic, then you will see more severe reactions. For example, you can see a severe swelling here. Similarly, you can see different types of skin rashes because of insect stings. So all these are allergic reactions. And then definitely there is medicine allergy. So if you are allergic to certain medicines, you need to keep in mind that you do not take those medicines. And you need to mention to your doctor that you are allergic to these particular medicines. So now let's understand what is an allergen. Whenever we talk about allergy, allergy is caused by a particular substance, right? It can be cat dander or it can be a medicine. Now, that particular substance which creates an allergic reaction inside your body is called allergen. So if we define allergen, we can say that an allergen is usually harmless substance. That is very important. That an allergen is a harmless substance capable of triggering a response that starts in the immune system and results in an allergic reaction. So allergen is usually a harmless substance. That's why we call it an allergen, because this substance is usually harmless and in most people it will have no effect. But in some people who are allergic to that particular substance, it will create an allergic reaction. Now, for example, if you have an allergy to pollen, your immune system identifies pollen as an invader or allergen, and then it will start reacting to it. And when it will react, then what will happen? There will be swelling inside your nose, there will be mucus secretion, and you may start sneezing a lot. So we studied about allergy today. And what is allergy? Allergy is caused in our body due to exaggerated response of our immune system to some harmless foreign substance called allergen. So allergen creates allergic reaction in your body. And the same allergen can be harmless for some other person, but for you, if you are allergic to it, then it can create severe allergic reaction in your body. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.